Hello everyone, and welcome to the Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to create a new bank account in the Fresa Global Application. First, log into the Fresa Global Application. After successfully logging in, you will be able to see the home page. Now, navigate menu page. Once you click on it, the menu page will open. Then type Bank Account Master in search bar and click Search. After clicking Search, Bank Account Master will appear. Select it. Bank Account Master list page will appear. On this page, click on the Submit button to view the recently created bank accounts. Next, click on Create button on top right to create a new employee. It will redirect to Bank Account Master Edit page. Enter all the details like bank code, description, account number, account type, and bank name. Click Save. That's it. This is how you can create a new bank account in the Fresa Global Application. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials from Fresa Technologies.